friend. Welcome to VPS Learning again class. As we have started chapter number 2 in our course, that is a poem. The thing is going to hurt you just little bite. We have completed first two paragraphs. Now we have to start paragraph number 3. So watch the video carefully, class, and then learn the poem and also write the central idea in your rough copy. You have to write the poem in fair copy and central idea in your rough copy.
Yes, class. From second stanza we have to start. So hard to retain your calm when your fingernails are making serious alternation in your lifeline or love line or some other important line in your palm. Means this decision of going to visit a dentist is look like taking a serious decision of your life, like your lifeline or your love line or some other important thing in your life. Means you have to choose whether you have to go to or not, because for poet it is look like a torture, both physical and mental, to visit a dentist. So hard to give your usual effect on cherry piety means kindness when you know your position in one or three or in life most lacking in dignity. Means this is like lack of dignity when you visit a dentist, and when you are in queue and your position is 2 or 3, it is like you don't have any kindness, you don't have any dignity in your life, and means you are very unable to show your face in a cheer or happy mood. Then and your mouth is like a section of road that is big. Means now poet is comparing the visit of dentist and his mouth with some hilarious comparison are there. Means he compare his mouth look like a section of road that is being worked on, and it is all like cluttered up with stone crusher and concrete mixer. Means there were equipment or tools of dentist. It look like clutter and crushes and concrete mixer and drill and steam roller, that these type of equipment is used in making a road. So his mouth is look like a section of road that is being worked on, and there is not a nerve in your head that you are not being erect on. Means now it is very irritating and your nerve system is, your head is not working properly and you are very irritated. It is very irritating when you have to visit a dentist. Oh, some people are unfortunate enough to be strung up by thumbs and others have things done to their gums, and your teeth are supposed to be being polished, but you have reason to believe they are being demolished, and the circumstances that add most to your terror, that's all done with a mirror. Means maybe you have to visit a dentist, and some people are so unlucky then because they have to done some yes. Means it is very demoralized and very hilarious to go to visit doctor if you have to do some treatment like polishing and other type of treatment. It is like a terror because that is all done with a mirror. Means you are in front of a mirror and the treatment is going on. So class, it's enough for today. You have to learn the poem and you have to also write a central idea, means summary of the poem in your rough copy, and you have to write poem, means first page of the poem you have to write only. Okay, so it's enough for today. We will start with next paragraph tomorrow.